Alan Soa is a very upbeat and catchy tune to start off your orchestra. Personally, this is my favorite piece because of how the orchestra seems to come together and play. The violins and violas keep the entire cello section and the bass together, showing that every instrument plays a massive role in the orchestra.
And don't go thinking of us too highly now. We've all had our struggles. And don't even and the struggle it was when it came to playing at the right time. We tend to speed up or even slow down when we shouldn't, and don't even mention the G sharps in the cello section. Yet practice makes perfect, we know. All in all, this piece taught us the importance of tuning and that faster isn't always better. Now I hope that you enjoy the speech as much as I do.